Hi everyone, we're going to have a look at Solana today. Now, we did have a lovely cup and handle forming previously. This essentially has been forming since November 2025, but because of the bearish market conditions, we have now reset back down to support with almost a identical move to what we had late December, with a bounce off around $1117, and now to potentially confirm the reflipping of what was temporarily resistance and now back to support. So, and you can see this has been a bouncing off point for the price action now, of course, because it's the bottom, of course, of this trading range. So we've now had confirmation that this may have been just a liquidity grab and a move up from here, and now we are retesting on the flip side support, which is around 122. So looking to accumulate at this area at around 122 is not a bad play at all, and then looking to take profits at the top of this range, which we were last in just on the 14th of January. So you can see with just a little bit of bullish momentum from Bitcoin could propel Sol upwards, and seeing as Bitcoin is now at local support at the very least, the probabilities of a move up from here are quite, well, they're more than 50% at this point, but of course we do have a bearish narrative, which is why we're not looking to take profits up here at 184, right? We're presuming, of course, that we're just going to be trading the range we're in before maybe moving down, and therefore we want to utilize this trading opportunity, capitalize off this trading opportunity, and not thinking this is a midterm hold. This is something we can get in now, and we're going to have maybe some crazy gains, 50, 100%. No, we're not going to have that. What we do have right now is quite a modest range of about 20% to trade. And as long as Bitcoin starts to find its feet, which is in a slightly better position today on the back of FOMC, to do that, then we've come in with an entrance with Sol. Bitcoin pulls the market up temporarily, and then we look to take profits up there. That is the idea. And of course, because Solana was also in the process of putting this kind of breakout pattern in place, this curving round, sellers are in control, sellers are in control, buyers are now in control. Then we had an attempted breakout before the narrative in the wider market shifted from bullish to bearish, and now we've come back down to the bottom of the range, which is providing now a good opportunity to, of course, come in at the bottom of this range, which we were last at the back end of 2025. So we're not talking huge positions here. We're talking smaller, modest positions to be prepared for, of course, more downside. But right now, Sol is in a good place to enter for a short-term long. And you also notice that on the RSI, we've had that double bottom on the RSI, and we've had a firm break up, and we're now retesting. Very much similar to the price action, but it's the double bottom, which is essentially highlighting that we could have a reversal from here, despite the price action not giving us the same reversal pattern. But that's Sol.